Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Assemble the Benedict. Place 8 halves of English muffin on a plate and butter them generously. Top each with a slice of Canadian bacon, ham or bacon, then a poached egg. Spoon hollandaise sauce over and sprinkle with chives, dill, flaky sea salt and black pepper.
Take our lead.
Serve eggs Benedict with something with veggies, sautéed spinach, roasted asparagus, bacon-wrapped asparagus, stuffed tomatoes, peas, something starchy, pan-fried potatoes, grits, roasted potatoes, potato rosti, potatoes Anna, just salads, frise salad, rocket salad. Swap out the English muffin for croissant, Holland rusks. The 21st of January 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tack on another 10 grams of fat for 2 eggs, and this is a very fat-heavy meal. In total, with 1 English muffin, 264 calories, 4 tablespoons of hollandaise and 2 eggs. Eggs Benedict contains 728 calories. So, you can see that Eggs Benedict is too heavy in saturated fat to be considered a healthy breakfast option. 9 October 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.